Bearings are one of the most common devices used in the WP&A plant. Bearings can be seen on conveyors, motors, gearboxes, and more. The point of a bearing is to reduce friction in a process. A bearing consists of multiple parts working together. There is the housing that holds the bearing, the seal or shield that keeps dust and water out, a race, which is the inner ring of the bearing, and typically a cage, which is the outer ring of a bearing. Ball bearings use physical metal balls to allow their inner rings to roll smoothly. The bearing can be greased with this port here. There are also wooden bearings. At WP&A, we use both metal ball bearings and wooden bearings. Let's look at some of the bearings we use at WP&A. As you can see, we use many types of bearings. The main difference in all of these are either the size, application they are used for, or mounting style. This bearing is a 4-hole flange, a 3-hole flange, and a 2-hole flange. This bearing is a wooden bearing. These are commonly used in augers exiting the GSI dryers. We use these wooden bearings because they release oil from the wood when they begin to heat up. The pistachios are really hot when they exit the dryers, which in turn heats up the entire process. Wooden bearings are perfect for this application.
In summary, there are metal bearings and wooden bearings used within the plant. A bearing is essential in reducing the friction in a system that utilizes moving parts. In order to keep bearings lasting long, they need to be properly maintained with grease.